Okay. So, when we see this letter, this is K. This is our letter K. But if we are using the matra U in this, as we saw yesterday, that if we are using Rasva Ukar, it became like this. Okay. In Devanagari, if we are making like this. But if this is Dirgha Ukar, how we make it? Again, the shape changes. It becomes like this. And this was Rasva Ukar and this is Dirgha Ukar. We will found who like this. Okay. There are two round shapes. This is Ku. Okay. Now I'm going again to our this one. So this is there are some letters. Okay, we are making the new one. So this is our this is our Dirgha Ku. Okay. Then the Kha. Now you have to understand, we are going, just look at your page where we mentioned the Rasa Ukar's Matra. Okay, there was stroke. So what we are going to do? This is who. Okay, this is who. Then the G. There are Matra like this. Okay, so in
Ma'am,
what will, huh?
ma'am, are we going slanting the line or just straight line?
It will be straight.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, there is some confusion. I'm making it again. Okay. So this like this. Okay. In Kha, it is simple. But in Ga, yesterday we saw there was the different matra. So in Ga, we will find this type of matra. So now we are going to put these letters in the boxes. Okay. Here the matras are different. Ga. With letter G, it is very simple. Okay. With letter Ng, it is very simple. We make like this. Okay. Or sometimes, wait a minute. Sometimes we make this is Ng and then we make like this. Okay. So this is the Ukara Matra, Rasva, Dirgha Ukara Matra with the letters of line of K. Okay. So there are two different K and G and the same, these same are different in Rasva Ukar's Matra. Okay. Now, it is the same will be like with Ch, it will like this. With Ch, it will like this. Okay. In J, it will like this. So it will go like this. The Jha, Ya, this is Ya. Okay. There's nothing different. Okay. Everything is clear. Now, we are looking for the letter T. Okay. In T, we will find this matra in both methods. Okay. So we can find like this. This is 2. But as well as we will find the matra of Dirgha Ukar like this too. Okay. these are the two variations and you have to put this in the box. You will find these two methods with the letter 2, t. This is 2. Okay, clear? Now we are moving forward. With her, it is very simple like this. Okay, you will make the same thing with other letters. Now I'm going to tell you the different ones only. Okay, in no, it is the middle one, and we will make like this. Okay, these are letter t. Okay, this is ta, and when we are using rasva ukara matra, it become like this. And then we will find like this, the 1, 2, and we can find it like this also. This is the, and then this. Okay, we can find like this too. So these two variations are of the letter 2. This is dirgha 2. How we can identify this one? Now please look carefully. This is the letter. This is the letter ta, then rasva ukar, then dirgha ukar. Okay, this is the letter ta, and there are two matras of ukar. Okay, we will find this letter, and this will be the most confusing letter. So we have to be very clear for this letter, the particular letter, because if we will find the double ta, okay, then it will it become like this. The ta, the half ta, then the full ta, okay, then the ukar matra. So the shape will be the same. Now we have to understand only according the context of. Okay, so this is 2, and it is uses very frequently. So this is the, now the letter with the na, it is very simple, the this one only. Okay, we are using the pa, ha, we are using this. I'm making of the ha. Okay, this is ha. Now what we will do, we are not going to make like this. Okay, we will use matra from here. This is who, ha. Okay, ba, the same, ba, boo. Okay, now the special letter is coming, bha. This is our bha. Okay, now what will happen with bha? We can find like this, bhu. And there is one more variation which we can find. Okay, this type. We can find like this, but there will not be bha like this. Okay, it is totally wrong. This is not the right one. We are going to use these two matras with bha. So what we will do, we will put this letter in the box. Okay, this is the different after ta. Then I hope this is clear to everyone. Now
Yes,
the
ma'am.
letter
Yes, ma'am.
which was different, ra. Okay, this is filled, totally filled. Okay, this is ra, and this is ru. Clear? This is the different one, so we will put it in the box. Ru. Then the letter comes sh. Talavya sh. The Shankar's sh. This is letter sh. Okay. So we can find two types of matras in sh. It can be like this and it can be like this. We can find the both methods with letter sh. Okay. So this is the special one. Make the box around this letter. These are two types of shoe. Then it is very simple. The sh, sir. We are not finding this the two round shapes with letter sir. Okay. The her, last letter, the her. This is her. Okay. So we will find like this and this. Here also we will find two types of who. Okay. These both are right. So make a box around this one too. Okay, so here this dirgha ukar matra ends here. I am going to tell this again. Okay, what we use with letter this shape to mention the dirgha ukar matra. Okay, but which are the letters who have the different matra? So the first one is ku. It will be like this. Then the letter G, it will be like this. Okay. Then the letter T. Okay. T will have these both matras. Okay. T. Clear? So these are three letters. Then the letter T. So this one and this. So this is 2. Okay. Actually, it becomes like this. Here. Okay. The 2 and then the letter bha. And then the ra. The special ones. Okay. This is filled. And then the two letters are left. Which are they? Sh and ha.
And her.
Sh and ha. Okay. So here we can find both types of ukara matra. This is also right. And if we are making her, this is right. And this is also right. Okay. So here the matra dirgha ukar ends here. I hope this is clear to everybody. Now the upcoming matras are very simple and there is nothing to remember. Okay. So the matra of frikar. Anybody is saying something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Huh?
I have a doubt.
Okay.
For can you just write the ukar matra or dha?
Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. If there is some doubt, there's nothing different. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So what we will do, this is your letter D. Okay, this is D.
Yeah.
It's very clear. So when we are using the matras, when we are adding to them, so what we do, we are just picking 2 points only. The middle one, the middle part of the letter or the end part. So here what this is the stroke. It is the end part, right? So we will start from here and we will make like this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay? Huh.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, the matra of Rikar. So, this was the letter Ri, right? Rishi. In diacritics, it's like this. This is Ri. So, what we are going to do, we have the all letters, we are just looking at this shape only, and we are taking half of it. Okay. We will use this. It comes from here only. As you can see, we are just removing the upper part only. And if we are using this to the letters, then it will become Re. So what we will do, you have to understand only the letter K. This is different. Okay, K, it changes the shape when we use the matra with it. So this is K. Okay, but when we are using this matra with K, what will happen? It becomes like this. This is Kri. Okay. We are finding it like this also. This is also Kri. And we are finding this like this too. This is Kri. Okay. Please mention.
Okay, ma'am.
These are 3 types of variations of word Kri. The letter Kri. Okay. Now, the thing is, you have to understand, in Devanagari, we are writing like Kri like this. Okay. So, which part is added later on? This one. From where it came? It came from here. This part. Okay. So, the same situation is going on here only. So, we are using only this part with every letter. But in the K, we are finding 3 types of variations, but in the other letters, it will not happen. Okay. I hope everybody noted it. Now, if we are looking at like Kri, nothing special, just this one. It's not going that too much long. It's like this. Okay. Kri. Gri. This. Okay. There's nothing new. It is very simple with each letter. Okay. Okay. Chri. Chri. So this is very simple. You are how you are putting the matras with each letter. That's you have to do only the same thing. Okay. So add the matra Ri like this with each letter, and there is no difference with any letter. There is only difference with the K, and we got those variations. Now the letter 3, the T. Okay. So this is the, and what we will
Sorry, ma'am.
do.
Sorry, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am,
And
I have a question.
okay.
Yeah, it seems Cree and tree is very
It
similar.
seems
It seems tree and Cree very similar.
Cree and three.
Tree.
Tree.
Cree.
The letter.
Cree.
Okay. Good. Yes, that should be. This is a very good question. This is T. Okay, what we will do, we start from here and we will mention like this. This is tree. Okay. We will start in the middle of this one. Okay, the letter T. The T we make like this. In the I was telling with the letter T, when we are using the matras with this one, then it becomes like this. This is 3. Okay. If Dha, then it will be like this. 3. The letter H, okay, the matra will start from here. 3. Okay. There is one thing to be noted. This the letter H. Okay. This is the letter H. We are not where we have to mention the matra here. Okay. So this will be like this. In her, it will not be from the middle one. Like the ukara matra, it will start from the ending point only. This is Hri. As we mentioned the word Ridhaya. Okay. So this is Ri. Then the and Ya. This is Ridhaya. Okay. Now, the Dirgha Rikara Matra. Okay. Dirgha Rikar. And this is how we mention it in Sharda script. It's like this. So what will happen? We in each letter it will be like this. Like the letter Cha, it will like this. Okay. The 1 Ri and the 2 Ri. The okay. Then the re, this is Dirgha Ri. But in the letter Ka, it changes its shape. Okay. So what will happen in the letter Ka? Ka already changes its shape, as we know, like this. Okay. So the first variation is like this. Like this. Okay. And the very this. Uh, wait a minute. I'm making it again. This. This is also Kri. This is Kri. And we can find it like this also. This is also Dirgha Kri, because we can see two matras here. Okay. Here and here. Okay. This is also a variation of Dirgha Kri. There are two matras at two ends. Clear? Hope this is fine. And now each letter we are just making like suppose we are making 3. So this is the letter Tha and this is Rasva 3 and this is Dirgha 3. You have to just add this Ri with the letters. Okay. And in the letter Ha, what we will Ha and like this. This is Dirgha Ri. Is it simple or not? This matra is simple or not? Tell me. This is more simple than Devanagari. Now we are moving to more simple matras. Now the matra is A. Okay. In Devanagari we make like this. Right? So there is nothing different. What you have to do, you have to put a, you have to take a letter. Like this is
रिकॉर्डिंग
ka.
फॉर्म पढ़ लूंगा मैंने वहां पे अटेंडेंस ली और ये अटेंडेंस ली
किसी का कोई प्रश्न है?
यस मैम
हाँ पूछिए।
मैम ट वर्ग में जो पंचमाक्षर आता है ड़ उसमें ड़ी की मात्रा कैसे लगेगा
ण, okay. So this first of all we are going to मैंने आपको बताया कि जो ण है इस तरह से बनता है, ठीक है। तो हम जो भी मात्रा ऐड करते हैं, सिर्फ आ की मात्रा हम लास्ट पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करेंगे, बाकी सारी मात्रा यहाँ बीच में जुड़ती है। तो ये हो गया आपका णरी, और इसको दीर्घ बनाना है तो लाइक दिस। ओके
ओके थैंक यू मैम
So now just look at the matra A. Okay, in Devanagari we are making the round and then we make like this and then we add to this shape to the letter. In Sharda you have to just write a line on the upper line. 3 seems to be very similar to tree. How can we distinguish? Okay. Give me a moment. I am telling you. First of all, I have to read. How can I discern Kri and Shri? Okay, I'm making it again. The first thing when you are adding the matra Ri with Ka changes its shape. This is Kri. This is Kri. Okay, and this is also Kri. Now you will find this one very rare. Okay, the last one. Mostly you will find the middle one. Okay, it is the rare, but in tree you have to understand the gapping. I'm making these two again. Okay, just look carefully at the screen. First of all, this is ka and this is cha. Okay, so the main thing is the space between the Shirorekha and the letter. Okay, here is less and here is bigger one. Okay, the ka, this space is bigger than the upper one. Okay, so when in Sharda you will look at the manuscripts, because these letters are written in very short form. So you will find ka like this one, and sometimes it's touched to the line also. But if we are adding the matra ri, so in cha, in kri, it starts from here, and in cha, it starts here. Okay, so you will see the gap here. Okay, just a moment, I'm making it again. So this is your cha and this is Shri. So I told you there are the boxes. Okay, can't go beyond this. Okay, so these are suppose these are the boxes and you have to mention these letters in this one. So how will you make? Okay, so we start from here. We have to give space to ka here, then we will make kri. Kri will be like this, but when we make cha, it will be it is bigger one. There will be space, then we will make cha and then rikar matra. So there will be the gap, the starting gap from the upper line. Okay, it will be
Ma'am,
very short one.
thank you
it
for your
clear?
kindness. Yeah, very clear. Thank you.
Okay. Now we are moving forward to the matra A. As we saw starting when we learned the vowels, we saw this was A and this was I, right? There was only a single line, the straight line on the upper line. Okay, and it is shorter than the letter. Clear? So we are just going to add this one only with the letters, and it will be it is the matra of A. Okay, on the upper line it is like this. So the ka we will make like this. The kha, it will be like this. It will be shorter than the letter. Okay, so there's nothing different. We have to just put a straight line with on the each letter. Clear? If gha, it doesn't have the upper line, so we are not going to make it. We have to just put a straight line on each letter. Okay, it is very simple. There's nothing like the special, the different one. Okay, so this is the matra A. Now we are talking about the dirgha ekar matra. So what we will do, we will add like this in Devanagari, right? We will add one more the round shape. So we will add one more line here. This is kai, khai, gai, ghai. Is it simple or not? It is very simple. So this is kai, khai, gai, ghai. You will make these two lines. This will tell you about aikar matra. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okar, O matra, matra of O. What we will do, we like ekar matra we made like a straight line. Now what we have to do, we are making like this. We have to make a shape like this. This is O. Okay, you have to make like this only. This is O on the upper line. So if there is letter K, this is ko. This is ko. This is sometimes this matra is touched to the line, but mostly it doesn't. Okay. So if we can see this shape, this indicates the matra of O. These are ko, ko, go. Okay. It is very simple. If some letter doesn't have the shiroreka, we don't care. We don't need to do anything. We have to just make this shape only. Okay. The 3, it is rotated. The shape of the 3 in Roman, we are just rotating this one, and it looks like a flying bird. Okay, so this is O. Okay, this is clear. Now, what we will do, if we have to make O, ow, okay, we will add just one more stroke to the letter like A. Now you have to go on the page of Akar Matra. You have mentioned in your notebook. Okay, just go to this page, the Akar Matra, and tell me which letters are different than the other ones. In Akar Matra, there are 4 letters which were different. So suppose we are making like cow. Okay, how we will make? We just add one more stroke here. This is cow. Then this is cow. This is gow. Okay. But what we will do with ja? How we will make it? Jau. We can't do like this. This is totally. Someone is saying something, but I am not hearing properly. Dipali. Okay. Now I'm making those letters.
Sorry, ma'am. It was 5 minutes.
look at the screen, please. Okay. So what we will do, we add the matra of O and then a stroke to to indicate the matra of au. This indicates the dirghatva. Okay, the larger one. This is telling this one. Now what we are going to focus on the special letters which were changed in the when we were adding the matra of a. So the first letter was ng. This was ng and this is mo. But when we are making au, what will happen? We are going to make like this. This is ngau. Okay. Now, then the letter j. This is jo. Okay. But in jau, what will happen? This. This is jau. Okay. Then
Yes,
the
ma'am.
letter comes. Then the letter comes ta. This is ta and this is ta. Okay. And this is tau. Okay. We'll make like this and we will mention okar matra here. So this is now, but if we have to make now, no, then this is no. Okay. So these 4 letters are different and put these letters in the box. Okay. So this is our aukar matra. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
here
which is the last one?
this is no. Okay, I'm making it in Devanagari. This is
Yeah.
okay. If we are making like this, then it becomes now. Now you have to understand the differences. Okay. So I hope matras are very clear to everybody.
Ma'am, can you make it no again?
Which letter?
No.
No. Okay. This is no in Sharda script. Okay. This is no. But if we have to make now, what we will do? We will make this one this. Okay. This is now. This is not. So it indicates the bigger one. Okay. Why we are making like this? Because this letter is already have in manuscripts we find it like this. Okay, there are already one stroke. If we are making one stroke, it becomes like this. So it can create confusion and it doesn't have that Shirorekha, the upper line. So it should not be confusing. That's why we are making it like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन था
हाँ पूछिए.
जिसमें शिरोरेखा नहीं है उसके आगे लाइन बढ़ाकर शिरोरेखा लगाते हैं आ की मात्रा में, तो ओ की मात्रा में पूरा ढकना पड़ेगा ऊपर या मिडिल ढकना पड़ेगा?
नहीं नहीं, ओ की मात्रा और ए की मात्रा में कहीं शिरोरेखा नहीं आएगी. इसके लिए मैं आपको बताती हूँ. जैसे हमारा एक अक्षर है ठ. ठीक है, मैं बनाती हूँ अभी. तो ये आपका ठ है. इस पे एकार की मात्रा आएगी ऐसे. ऐकार की मात्रा आई आपकी ऐसे. ये ठे ठई बन गया आपका. ठीक है. अब आपको ओकार बनाना है तो सीधा बस ऐसे ठो. लेकिन जब आपको ठऊ बनाना है तो फिर ये ऐसे हो जाएगा. ठीक है. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, और किसी को कोई डाउट, कोई प्रश्न? नहीं. चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया. अब हम इसमें जानते हैं. See, the letters are connected to each other. There are there is the majority of half letters. Okay. So first of all, I will tell you, I am writing here the one word. So in Devanagari, we see the half letter stands here and the full letter comes to the right side. Okay. Okay, the first of all, I'm starting with my name. In Devanagari, this is like half sa, then wa. Okay, it counts one letter. Okay, because the half one is connected to the full one. So 1.5. This is 1. Okay, we are making this one in only one box. We are not using two boxes to make this one. Then again the half letter. So we can see two full letters, two half letters, and one matra. But we are using only two blocks for this one. Okay. But this is going to the right side. Now, what happening in the Sharda script? The things are going to the lower side. Okay, we are on here the sa is half and we are making it half. But in Sharda, what happens? The first letter is full. Okay, the second letter will be connected to this one and it will be connected in the lower side. And what will happen? This letter will be in the shortened form. Okay, I'm making it in the blocks. First of all, you have to understand this. How do we write in Sharda script? Then we will make it in understand it through the blocks. So the first, this is sa. Okay, upper line will come or not in letter sa?
No.
No.
No
No.
in upper line, ma'am.
हाँ, इसमें शिरो रेखा नहीं आएगी. तो अब ये आपका स हो गया. अब देवनागरी में जब हम देखते हैं तो आगे की तरफ ऐड करते हैं, लेकिन शारदा लिपि में क्या होगा कि इस अक्षर में नीचे की तरफ दूसरा अक्षर जुड़ेगा और पहला वाला हमेशा पूरा लिखा जाएगा, दूसरा जो पूरा है उसका आधा लिखा जाएगा या फिर वो पूरा लिखा जाएगा. ये इस तरह की दोनों तरह की हमें सिचुएशन मिलेगी. तो अब जो व है, अब वो कहाँ कनेक्ट होगा ये समझने की आवश्यकता है. So where we are going to add this letter v, we have to understand this thing here. So we can see here, this is v. So what is this letter? Swa. Okay, the shirorekha will not come here. Then the matra, the ikar matra. So it is the line of ikar matra. Then again the letter sa and ta will be connected to this one. Okay, so here this is the ending point. We are going to start, make it ta, and then ikar matra. So what will happen? The shirorekha comes like this or it may not be like this. So what is this? The swasti. Okay, first letter is sa and va, and the second letter is sa and ta and with ikar matra. So there are not two. Now you can see the width of these two words. One is in Devanagari. It is taking too much space, and the Sharda scripts letters are taking lesser space than this. Okay, so what we will do, we have just only one block. We have to use only one block. That's why I'm telling, please use the mathematics notebook to write these. Okay, so it is like this. Okay, we are having blocks. So if we are writing the sa, only letter sa, we are making like this. This is sa. We will make like this. But if we are making swa, then what we will do, we are making the sa smaller one. Then it will be like this. This is swa. Okay. Then now ikar matra will also come only in this block. Then the sa and this ta. The sa and this is ta. So this is our swasti. So now you can see the difference between all these sa. Okay, if there is no matra, no any other letter, then we are making the letter bigger one. But if there is something is connected, is jointed to this letter, then we will make it in a short shape. Okay, is it clear? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the different
Yes, ma'am.
style to write the letters in this script. Now we have to understand the letter K. Okay, first of all, okay, there are three letters which we haven't learned till yet. That Ksha, Tra, and Gya.
Yeah.
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 Gne.
So the Ksha in Devanagari we make it like this, right? So which letters are connected? The K and Sh. But is the Devanagari shape is similar to these two letters? Yes or no? No?
No.
Okay.
No.
But in Sharda, when you are going to see, so when we add something in Ka changes in this shape. Okay. So what we will do, we look at the left side and we will make it like this. This is your Ksha. In Sharda, Ksha looks like this. Okay, make it very carefully. The letter Ksha. Is it similar or not to these two letters? We can see those two letters very clearly. In Sharda script, if the letters are connected to each other, you can identify them very easily. This is Ksha. But if we are looking in the Devanagari, is it similar? No. We are just keeping this thing in our mind. But now you have not, you don't need to understand the different letter. Okay, this is Ksha. Then the letter Tra. Here is half Ta and Ra. Right? So what we will do, we will make first of all the Ta, okay? And we just make like this. This is Tra. In Sharda, what will happen if you are adding the letter Ra after any word, if you have to write like Kra. Ksha is clear, I'm going to remove it. Okay, if you are writing any letter Ra with any letter, okay, suppose you are writing this is in Devanagari, but if you are writing it in Sharda, what will happen? This is Ka, okay, so it will go in the opposite side. This is Kra, but if we are making like okay, in Ka there is different, like understand the Kha, the letter, if it goes like this, it is, this line is not straight. First of all, understand that. Okay, in Devanagari, what we will make like this. Okay, so we can understand this is the mirror image of Devanagari one. So this is Khra. Okay, but if we are talking about the Khu, it will be like this. Okay, if the line is going in the left side, then it will be Khu, the matra of Khu, and it will be the Dirgha Khu, the bigger one. Okay, but it is going in the right side, then this matra indicates the Ra, complete Ra. Okay, so as we write the Shra, Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, so it happens Shra, Sh. Sh. Then this one. Then it becomes like Shra, as we mentioned in Devanagari, but there is also a different shape. Understand that. Well, this is sh and plus r. But in Sharda, it is not a different letter. It is very clear. So this is our shra. Now we have to make Shri. Then what we will do? Like this. Okay. It will be like this. This is Shri. Okay. So the matra is going to the left side, then it is the matra of who. But it is, if it is going in the right side, it is the matra of ra. It indicates the full ra. So this is shra, ksha, tra, and the last one is gya. Okay. So in Devanagari, we make it like this. And the letter which are jointed in this one are the ja and ya. Right? So how do we make it in the Sharda script? We make first of all ja. What we will do next, we will add the shape like this. Okay, just this one. This is gya. You will make ja and then you will have to add the shape of na. It indicates gya. Okay, this is the different one. This is gya.
मैम ज में अगर र लगाएंगे तो किस तरह आएगा?
ज में
र लगाएंगे तो
ज में र. ओके, ये नोट कर लिया, इसको रिमूव कर दो.
जी.
तो अगर हम ज में र लगाएंगे तो ये ज हो गया. ठीक है. और इसमें से थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया ब्लॉक, तो इसमें ये इस तरह से जाएगा. जैसे आपका वज्र लिखा होगा तो ये आपको इस तरह से मिलेगा. थोड़ा सा उसमें डिफरेंट जाके, या फिर क्या होगा इसमें कि इसको स्ट्रेट लाइन लेके और इस तरह से, इन दोनों तरह से हमें वो मिलेगा.
ओके.
ठीक है.
इसी तरह मैडम ठ में अगर र लगाएंगे तो ठ में.
ओके, ठ में इस तरह से किया और इस तरह से ठ. जहां पर हमें डाउट होता है तो हम जिस तरह से मात्राएं जोड़ते हैं, जैसे ऊ की मात्रा हमने लगाई, दीर्घ ऊ की, ह्रस्व ऊ की, तो जिस तरह से लगाई हम वहां पर एक्स्ट्रा मेंशन, जैसे न था तो न इस तरह आके, अब अगर हमें इसमें दीर्घ उकार की मात्रा लगानी है तो हम इस तरह से लगा रहे थे. लेकिन अब अगर इसमें आपको र लगाना है तो वो र इस तरह से होगा. ठीक है. लेकिन अब यहाँ पर यही चीज ध्यान रखनी है कि हमें सिर्फ एक ही ब्लॉक यूज करना है. तो आपके पास स्पेस लिमिटेड है, उसी में आपको बनाना है, तो फिर आप इसकी शेप छोटी करेंगे और उसके बाद आप इसको मेंशन करेंगे. ठीक है.
जी मैम.
So now you are understanding a few things. So how do we add the letters? I will share the list, okay, to all of you. Now you can write your name, I hope. So please write with now, just make the homework with the, you can write the shloks also in the Sharda script now. If there is something, there will be some doubt, we will discuss it tomorrow. And now I'm going to share one PDF of the conjunctions. Okay, it shows each letter, how it is connected to the another one. But this is the main important thing, the letter joins only to the lower part. Okay, to with the letter, and the upper letter we pronounce it in half, but it will be written, it will be full in the written form. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Okay.
Ma'am, how to write parva?
What?
Parva.
Parva. Okay. Okay. So ra is different. Okay. So first of all, we have to understand this is the letter ra. Okay. if we make it in the two parts, if we divide it into the two parts, then it will be like this and this one, right? Okay. So in Devanagari, as we see, like okay, Vakra and Arka and Vakra. There is Vakra. Oh. This is Vakra and this is Arka. Okay, we can see here. So one is like this and the other one is going like this. In Devanagari, we see Ra like this. Okay, so the upper part, it goes here and the lower part, it goes like this. Okay, and these are presented in the mirror form. Clear? This Ra, when we divide the Ra into two parts in Devanagari, then it becomes like this in Devanagari. So you understand this concept now. We are going through the same concept in Sharda also. So if we are using the lower part, if it is Vakra, then we understood, okay, then we understood we are going to make matra like this. Okay, this is Va, then this is Ka, and this is Ra. This is Vakra. We use this one here, and for where the Ra is complete, it comes with the vowel, then we are making like this. But if the Ra is half, it is Rev, like in Ark. How do we mention? Then we are taking this here. How? Just look at here. This is our A. Okay. And then we will mention this half one. Okay, it comes like this. Then we add the letter K here. Okay, it will be Arka. If we are using the half one, then we are going to mention it like this. There is a very simple line, very short one. It will shows like this. Okay. So this is the different thing in Ra. You will find the many differences. Like if we are using the class time is over. I'm telling you the one more thing. If we are using the ta and the, okay, like the jeshtha, the ta, okay, jeshtha, ta and tha. How we will mention, like jeshtha, I'm making it. So this is ja, it is half. We are making this ya, and then ekar matra, then the sha. It doesn't have the upper line. What we are going to do, we are making like this. So if we are connecting the ta and tha, it converts into this shape only. Okay. This is the different one. You have to note this one. And what will happen if we will connect the letter dha, like we connect the dha with the. So this is the, like I'm making buddhi. Okay, in Devanagari, this is buddhi. So we will make ba, then ukar matra, then ikar, then the da. Okay, so what will happen? This one. So this shape indicates only the two letters, the ta, tha and dha. So we know the dha, if we join the dha, it will be used with the only. And if we are using the ta, tha, okay, then it become like with only the letters which can be tell by the talu only, like the ta, tha, ritu, rishana, murdha. So ri, ta, tha, da, dha, na. Lunthan. So this will be like this.
Ma'am, why we are extending the line?
Hmm?
In Buddhi, why we are extending the line?
This this one is indicating this is complete dha. Okay. Actually, the shape of the letter is dha is like this. Okay. But when we are writing it in flow frequently, so sometimes it happens that we can be confused if we are making the dha like this. So it somebody just assume somebody make it like this. Okay, he want to make dha, but it became like this. So here you can confuse. It can be dri, right? So there should
Yes.
not be any confusion. That's why these two letters are changed in the different shape. Okay. Clear? So today I am going to, anybody have any doubt?
Ma'am, how to write Sanskrit L?
How to write Sanskrit?
Sanskrit L, the like in Mangalam or Agni Mele Purohitam.
Just say it again.
Ma'am, I've messaged in chat box.
Okay, chat box. Give me a second.
ऋग्वेद का जो पहला मंत्र है उसमें जैसे प्रथम पद आता है अग्निमीड़े।
Hello. Okay. This letter we found it in the. Okay, just give me a second. In manuscripts we will not find. Okay. In the Rigvedic text we can find this letter. This is also available. So there is a different shape for this one. This is like this one. I'm making. Something like this. The D. Okay. And there is this stroke. It
Okay, ma'am.
looks
Thank
like
you, ma'am.
the letter Ana. Okay. The letter D. Because and in the few parts of India, it is pronounced as like in Devanagari we make it like this. Hello. Okay. In some parts it pronounces like la, but in some parts it pronounces as like da. Agni Meedil. Okay. So it is written like this in the Sharda. To be very frank, I haven't seen this letter in the manuscripts, but this was taught to us. Okay.
मैं
So this
छोटा
is
सा
like
डाउट है।
da. Okay, there is no confusion because if we have to make da, it comes like this. Only there is stroke. Okay. It's not like this. But if you find this shape in front of the da, where there you can understand it's the Vedic term ra. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
मैं छोटा सा डाउट है।
हाँ
जैसे
पूछिए।
हमने बुद्धि में ध के लिए जो एक्सटेंड किया था उसी तरह अगर द का द्वित्व होगा तो भी उसी तरह एक्सटेंड होगा।
किसका?
द का अगर दो द एक साथ में हो, द का द्वित्व
नहीं
हो।
नहीं उसमें नहीं ये द को दो द लिखा जाएगा, जैसे मैं आपको बना के दिखाती हूँ। अगर ऐसा है, ठीक है, तो फिर अब ये यहाँ से कनेक्ट होगा इसमें। फिर अगर उसमें भी ध कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो हम इस तरह से करेंगे। आपको अक्षर सारा सेम दिखेगा। अब ये हमने इतनी जगह ले ली, लेकिन हमें इसे छोटे से में लिखना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस तरह से करेंगे। ठीक है।
ओके।
ये सिर्फ ध को इंडिकेट करता है जब ये द के साथ में आएगा, और श के साथ अगर आपको मिलता है श और ण के साथ, तो आप समझ जाएंगे कि ये ट ठ है। ठीक है।
ओके मैम।
हाँ, तो अभी मैं आपको एक लिस्ट ग्रुप में शेयर कर दूंगी आज, जिसमें कि बताया गया है कि संयुक्त अक्षर हम कैसे लिखते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, नाउ यू हैव टू डू योर होमवर्क। कुछ लोग बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं पर कुछ लोग बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहे हैं। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्रैक्टिस these things, and I will share all the handouts with you, so these will be useful to you, and just look at there and you can uh, use that and write your sentences. Okay.
मैम एक डाउट है, पूछूं?
हाँ
टाइम इज
हाँ।
ऑलरेडी ओवर, दैट्स व्हाई ये हम लोगों ने बॉक्स में क्यों लिखने हैं? जस्ट टू एडजस्ट द डिस्टेंस, वो प्रैक्टिस होने के लिए, और इज देयर एनी स्पेसिफिक रीजन
Sorry, say
टू राइट
say
इट?
it again. Say it again, please.
ये हम लोगों ने बॉक्स में क्यों प्रैक्टिस करने हैं? मतलब जो आपने
Box में।
मैथमेटिक्स वाली कॉपी जो बताई ना,
Okay.
तो वो मतलब इसलिए है कि वो लेटर वहां वो पर्टिकुलर स्पेस में एडजस्ट होने की प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए है, या
जी
शारदा को इसी प्रकार से प्रैक्टिस किया जाता है बॉक्सेस में?
नहीं, शारदा देखिए, आपको बाद में आपको फ्रंट ऐसे प्लेन पेज पे करना है, लेकिन कि हम जैसे अभी मैंने बताया कि क और छ हम बना रहे हैं, हम जिस लेटर को जैसा चाहे वैसा बना सकते हैं। अभी जैसे र है, इतना भी बना दिया हमने, ठीक है, र को इतना बना दिया, लेकिन क को मान लो मैंने इतना बनाया, ठीक है, फिर मैंने ह को इतना बना दिया, तो अब इन तीनों का साइज डिफरेंट हो गया, हुआ ना? तो अब ये तो अच्छा नहीं लगता, क्योंकि
यस।
जैसे हम लैपटॉप में देखते हैं तो फॉन्ट साइज सबकी सेम रहती है।
हाँ
तो
मैम, हाँ।
अब इसमें ऐसा है कि हमें बहुत डिफरेंट टाइप के लेटर्स मिल रहे हैं, कोई अलग से जा रहा है, किसी का तो शिरोरेखा के ऊपर आ रहा है, किसी का शिरोरेखा से नीचे आ रहा है। तो लाइन में जैसे हम गैप देते हैं, लेकिन लेटर क्योंकि जब हमें पर्टिकुलर एक पैमाना मिल जाता है, ठीक है, तो उसके बाद हमारे पास कंफ्यूजन के लिए जगह नहीं रहती। अब मैंने आपको बताया कि हमें एक अक्षर में दूसरा जोड़ना है, तो जैसे मैंने आपको अपना नाम लिख के दिखाया कि एक्चुअल साइज ऑफ स इज दिस, बट इफ वी हैव टू ऐड द वर्ड देन इट बिकम्स द शॉर्टर वन।
स्मॉलर,
ओके,
यस।
यस। सो वहां पर आपको कि कितना छोटा करना है कि दूसरा अक्षर भी आ जाए और ये इसी के सामने सेम दिखे। अब देखिए, इन दोनों की लाइन सेम है, वही एक बॉक्स ये वाला लेटर भी ले रहा है, वही एक बॉक्स दूसरा लेटर भी ले रहा है। तो इसीलिए अगर आप वो नोटबुक यूज करते हैं मैथमेटिक्स वाली, जिसके बॉक्सेस में एक लेटर क्लियरली आ जाए, और जब आप फाउंटेन पेन या ब्रश से यूज करेंगे तो आपको ये स्ट्रोक्स, कि हम ये स्ट्रोक्स फिल क्यों कर रहे हैं, ये भी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। जैसे एक नरेंद्र जी है ना जो भेज रहे हैं,
हाँ
उनका नाम
मैम,
आप देख रहे हैं ग्रुप में,
हाँ
तो वो
हाँ
कितना
मैम,
वो ब्रश से, इसलिए आपको वो स्ट्रोक्स इजीली क्लियर समझ में आ जाएंगे, क्योंकि हम अभी पढ़ रहे हैं, हम आज के 1200 साल पीछे जा रहे हैं, ठीक है।
हाँ।
सो इफ वी आर गोइंग देयर वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट टाइम्स मेथड।
मैम लेकिन ये
So what we have right now, we have to use and utilize them to understand what method they had that time. Okay?
यस मैम, इसके लिए हम लोगों ने कैलीग्राफी का ब्रश यूज करना है या द राउंड वन? क्योंकि
जो आपको अच्छा
आई हैव
लगे,
नॉट ट्राइड। ओके ओके मैम,
you are free. You just have to
ओके
understand why we
ओके,
are making these strokes and why we are filling this one. This can
यस
be understanding only through these the brushes only and the fountain.
यस
Okay?
यस मैम, गॉट इट। ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
Welcome. Next, anybody have any doubt? More queries? Okay. So now I'm going to finish this class. Okay. And we will meet
Thank you.
tomorrow, and I want everybody's homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye.
Good
Good
night.
evening.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave the class. Good night, Gargi ji.
Thank you, ma'am.